The Ricoh Group's environmental conservation activities are informed by its concept of sustainable environmental management. In order to conserve the global environment, it is crucial to implement the right activities in a consistent manner. For companies to be able to continue their environmental conservation activities, it is necessary that these activities continue to produce profit. This is the basic concept of sustainable environmental management. To ensure these activities are truly meaningful, we first envision ideal conditions and then develop a long-term vision to realize them. The ideal we envision is a society in which a healthy environmental, social and economic balance is maintained and any environmental impact caused by human activities remains within the self-recovery capabilities of the planet. Aiming to accomplish this goal, we established a long-term environmental vision for 2050, setting milestone targets as appropriate and planning and implementing specific actions according to the vision. Our efforts to reduce the environmental impact are not limited to our manufacturing and sales operation. We also direct our activities at the entire life cycle of our products. As part of our broader effort to promote environmental conservation activities, we provide users of our products with ideas for achieving environmentally friendly office operation and work styles that will help them reduce their environmental footprint. This video offers a glimpse of the Ricoh Group's diverse environmental conservation activities aimed at creating a sustainable society. Modern manufacturing has expanded, consuming inherently limited natural resources with little consideration of the impact that related activities have on the natural environment and various ecosystems. Such activities are not sustainable. Aiming at sustainable manufacturing, Ricoh is working to reduce the use of new resources in manufacturing its products. A key approach is its recycled copier business. We have developed a range of functions and processes that lower manufacturing costs and environmental impact to accelerate the introduction of recycled copiers into more offices. A collection network was established to ensure efficient collection of used copiers and lower the risk of damage during transportation. A collection volume prediction scheme is in place to allow for optimum production planning. Recyclable design is promoted as a key approach to product design that supports future reuse of components. Part commonality enables the repeated use of parts in recycled products, and a remaining life assessment method was set up to determine the quality of collected parts and components. By applying a range of recycling and simulation technologies, we ensure a stable supply of recycled copiers. With these functions in place, we can now offer a broad line of recycled copiers, thereby meeting different needs of many customers. Ricoh is expanding its recycled copier business to ensure the effective use of precious resources in the context of helping to create a sustainable society. Ricoh has launched many other initiatives to minimize the use of new resources in manufacturing. Among major examples are reducing unit size and weight and decreasing the per-unit amount of materials consumed. Adopting electric furnace steel sheets, which are made principally from steel scrap, and employing renewable biomass resources. Our energy supply has recently tightened. This is spurring greater awareness of energy conservation among the public, including the business sector. In response to this trend, Ricoh is introducing comprehensive energy conservation solutions tailored to individual offices by clarifying energy use status in multiple data forms, in addition to offering environmentally friendly office equipment. In Japan, a vast majority of offices, 98% in fact, are housed in small to medium-sized spaces. Unfortunately, there are currently no good energy management systems suitable for the need of these smaller size offices. Under such unfavorable circumstances, what are these offices doing to save energy? They're turning the air conditioning up and down repeatedly, reducing office lighting, and plugging in and unplugging devices each time they're used. These efforts are tricky. Blindly focusing on reducing energy use alone often results in an uncomfortable environment lacking appropriate lighting and uncomfortable temperatures and humidity levels. This in turn can cause significant decline in operational efficiency. It makes no sense to cut power bills at the cost of productivity. This sort of failure is attributable to an inappropriate energy-saving approach whereby all efforts are devoted to saving electricity in the use of equipment and facilities, and the importance of a comfortable environment that promotes productivity is overlooked. The issue of effective energy use needs to be addressed by society as a whole. As part of this societal endeavor, Ricoh is offering office energy management solution systems by which the wasteful use of electricity is identified and eliminated to allow offices to save energy while maintaining appropriate levels of comfort and convenience in the workplace environment. Electricity use is monitored and visualized in the form of detailed data for each machine. The data is analyzed in relation to worker behaviors and locations to identify waste. The obtained result is used to improve energy use efficiency. An experiment conducted at Ricoh's own laboratory demonstrated that the system could effectively reduce power consumption by 42%. Ricoh systems help to conserve the environment while improving workplace comfort and convenience at the same time. This is one of the ways we are working to contribute to the creation of a sustainable society. Smartphones and tablet devices have dramatically increased communication efficiency. Advanced information technology can further enhance communication methods and styles, which can help enrich our lives in countless ways. In the office, for example, innovative forms of communication are emerging to allow for more sophisticated operation. Utilizing these advanced information and communication technologies, Ricoh develops and offers new models for office operation. We build easy-to-use systems based on advanced technologies that can be introduced to a variety of workplaces to enhance work efficiency and communication quality, thereby creating additional value. These systems can also help reduce operational costs and environmental impact. For example, our system can enable paperless meetings. Conventional paper-based meetings often involve a last-minute fuss to prepare materials, typically to insert replacement or additional documents. Our system for paperless meetings can eliminate this kind of bother and also help reduce paper consumption and printing costs at the work site. Also, our system can provide powerful video conferencing solutions, a practice that has become more widespread in line with globalization and mounting awareness of the need to decrease environmental impacts and office operation costs. Quite a few users, however, feel uncomfortable with existing teleconference systems. Why? Ricoh conducted a detailed improvement study to find out. During our quest for greater user-friendliness, we explored the possibilities of using compact mobile devices and the internet while reducing the requirement for specialist skills. These new systems will eliminate the need for large, expensive equipment connected via private lines and with professional support. Our search has resulted in systems that can be easily used by anyone whenever and wherever necessary to share information, thereby increasing business efficiency. By effectively responding to change and using assured technologies, Ricoh will continue to develop visual communication systems and in this way contribute to achieving a sustainable society. "15 years after the establishment of its sustainable environmental management concept, Ricoh has implemented a wide range of initiatives to conserve the environment and create profits at the same time. The 3 topics introduced in this video represent only a part of our diverse effort. The Ricoh Group will step up these efforts through sustainable environmental management to meet the expectations of society by effectively responding to change, aiming to fulfill its commitment to the creation of a sustainable society.
Ricoh.